Busy schedule but still want to eat healthy? We've got you covered. Introducing a weekly plan of high-fiber dinners you can prep in just 30 minutes. As I go on with this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to support my channel. Perfect for busy families, these recipes feature ingredients like beans, lentils, and fresh produce. Not only are they fantastic for digestion, but they also help manage cholesterol and blood sugar. From chicken nachos to black bean fajita skillet, and even peppery barbecue glazed shrimp with vegetables and orzo. Each dish is packed with flavor and nutrients. And don't forget the slow cooker 3-bean chili mac or the pan-seared steak with crispy herbs and escarole. All these recipes use simple techniques and readily available ingredients. Created by a registered dietitian, this plan includes helpful substitutions and serving suggestions. So if you're ready to make quick and nutritious mealtime, check out our high-fiber dinner plan today. Remember to keep your finger on the pulse for our next video escapade. Thank you for tuning in, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Remember to show love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more content.